Hey, hi guys, I'm back and this time I am with Rode Wireless Go. So this is the new edition and I'm going to do the unboxing and let's see how it's gonna work. Tape is off. Oh, there you go. Here's the arrow. So this is how the packing looks like. Okay, clip number 1, that's where it comes. Clip number 2. So basically this goes to the camera and the other. Oh my goodness! I don't want it on the day one. And then this is basically the clip that goes on the shirt, or you can hide inside, or even in the belt if you have extra mic. What else? To connect to the camera. Little paperwork. This is the pouch. So inside the box I get 2 USB Type-C cables, which is going to help me to charge same time both the devices, this device and without this device, and I'm going to test it with my phone first. Hi guys, so this is the sound directly coming from my iPhone 7 Plus and I'm standing about 2 feet to 2.5 feet distance and I'm going back, and now you can see the sound quality directly coming from my iPhone 7 Plus, and now is about 10 feet distance. So guys, this time I have plugged in Rode Wireless Go and just directly to my t-shirt, and again I'm standing about 2.5 feet distance, and let's see how the sound quality it is. And when I'm walking back, this time by now is 10 feet and by now is 15 feet and now is going to be 20 feet, and that's where I am. So after plugging in one dongle there, one extra dongle here just to connect my lav mic, so I have to buy this extra TRS to TRRS. Finally, the sound should be coming from my lav mic, Rode lav mic, and I'm about the distance 2.5 to 3 feet away from my iPhone 7 Plus, and here I go far away, about 10 feet, 15 feet, and I'm quite far now, and that's the distance. And now if you're listening to the sound, that must be coming from my Rode lav mic. This time on Sony Alpha 7R2, I'm testing the inbuilt sound and about 5 feet away. Alright, so here I am with my Sony Alpha 7R2 and testing the Rode Wireless Go, and I'm about 6 feet away. And let me try to go a little bit farther away. All right. So I hope you can test and hear, and that's the sound from Wireless Go. And it's about 20 feet away. When you pay money, of course, definitely you expect some quality as well as some easy to use services. So what went wrong with me? Okay, look at this. This cable has 2 pins here. And our mobile phones, they come with 3 pins. Why? Because one is for the earphone, another one is for the mic. But the system used for the camera or for the recording video, they just use 2, only for the microphone. And now when I plugged this in my phone, I was so frustrated why the sound is not coming. Anyway, so I have to find another dongle for it, right? One more time, TRS to TRSS, another dongle, TRS to TRS. I mean, so confusing and frustrating. In simple way I can say is 2 pin to 3 pin, 3 pin to 2 pin. I wish if it has been explained within the box in the menu or somewhere, or I really don't know. Okay, so when I have to buy this boya, it's cost me another $60 Hong Kong. Alright, now the problem solved. I can connect this with my mobile phone. Problem solved. Alright, but I cannot connect with my Rode lav mic. Why? Because lav mic has 3 pins and this one has only 2. So when you connect it with the dongle for this and that, and then you connect another cable, like, can you see this? Like that, and then you put like that, and then you put it here. I mean, can you believe it? Is this the system? Now this is how you plug dongle 1, dongle 2 and dongle 3. Seriously, we are going wireless, and then I have to plug in one for the phone, one to the whatever do you call it, this another adapter and things like this. So really frustrating. The best way would be if I can just directly at max, because many iPhone or Samsung or modern phone, they do not come with the headphone jack. That understood. If just can have this one step will be very good. Alright, now just to use my own Rode mic, I have to buy this. Another one. So can you believe it, how many dongle I end up buying with? So yes, when I do plug this directly to my camera, my Sony, it's okay, it's working fine, no problem. Distance quality, after getting all these dongles, yes, it is working and the quality is better, surely better, because you spend money just for this function. But to go through all these things, I'm sorry. If you want to buy for this, I will simply say, please do the study first, 2 pin to 3 pin and so on. And I think compared to many other products, this is expensive, but if you have to go through all these things, there is no point. The small pouch provided by them, let me see if I can put everything in it or not. So that's the small pouch. Thing number 1 goes inside, and there is no space for the second one to put in. So I really don't understand what's the function of this small tiny pouch. Just because they wanted to give the pouch, so they gave, or I just can't keep everything in it. Even if, let's say, try to put all the cables in. Alright, even can't put all the cables in. Rode, thank you for the pouch, but it's actually not useful. That's the advice for you guys. Wear something better, bigger, stronger for the mix. Thank you. So here I'm using iPhone 7 Plus, and distance is about 3. So this time I have plugged in wireless Go, and about the same distance. Now I am about 6 feet, 7 feet, and I'm checking the sound, turning around. Hi everyone, and now I'm about 1 to 2.5 feet away. This time I'm very frustrated, but it's my 3rd day trying and testing TRS connector. Thank you.